Well, all right, guys and gals. What we're doing today is I'm gonna be putting the flywheel in, putting the clutch on, and I'm gonna put the transmission in, and that's gonna be about all I do tonight. Um, I don't really know how much I'm gonna get done, but this is what I'm doing tonight, and I'm gonna do some other odds and ends stuff while I'm at it. Maybe even get the transmission mount go on and stuff. So It's about 5 o'clock. I've been through everything. I got the transmission mounted back up. I got the CV shaft back on this side. I got the linkage put in, stabilizer put on. I ran into a snag with the secondary shaft for the Equal Link drive shaft. I ended up having to take the passenger side rim and tire and all that stuff off, and I messed up my oil filter because I had to take my oil filter off too because I couldn't get that secondary shaft back on there without taking it out. So I'm gonna have to get another oil filter, unfortunately, but it's only like $5 or $6 or something for one. So anyways, that's all I'm gonna do tonight. I'll work on it again tomorrow, and I'll have more video. I'll have a part 2. So thank you guys and gals for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Keep an eye out for more videos. There's going to be other stuff other than trying to fix my car. So far, I think it's okay. I was checking the shifting. It seems to be pretty decent now since I got a new bolt and all kinds of stuff, and I made a new shifter linkage bolt setup. It'll probably be loosened back up after I drive it for a few miles, but anyways, that's going to be all for tonight. So thank you guys for watching. Hit the notifications so you can keep track of what I'm doing here, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.